Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 if it gets stuck on the loading screen on your PC. First, verify the game files. If some game files are missing or damaged, the game may stop loading. If you are using Steam, open your library, right-click on Forza Horizon 6, select Properties, open the Installed Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you are using the Xbox app or Microsoft Store version, use the option to verify and repair the installation if it is available. Next, disable any overlays running in the background. Overlays from apps like Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or Xbox Game Bar can sometimes interfere with the game. Open each application and turn off its in-game overlay feature, or just close the application if you don't need it running in the background. Once they are disabled, restart your computer and try launching the game again. If you are playing through the Xbox app, sign out of your Xbox account completely. Close the Xbox app, open it again, and sign back into your account before starting the game. This refreshes your account connection and can fix loading issues caused by authentication or syncing problems. Thanks for watching.